Crocodiles are unique creatures. They've survived millions of years, even though the earth has changed in that period and many species got wiped out. Crocodiles have remained unchanged during this period, except in size. Crocodiles are clever. They are masters of stealth and camouflage. In shallow waters, a crocodile often carries twigs, leaves, and other flotsam on its head and slowly walks with its legs or swims close to the shore. Birds think some twigs are floating and don't notice the crocodile lurking under it. When a bird comes close to drink, bathe, or when young birds fall from the nest, the crocodile is quick to grab them. Clever, isn't it? If this content resonates with you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share your views in the comments below.